Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Insight. 40 miles per gallon, smooth ride, performance, exterior, interior. Honda Insight has it all and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, hands-free communication. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.